The Favole holiday farmhouse is in Sacile, the ancient garden of the Serenissima, where water and land have lived in harmony from time immemorial. The farmhouse is also an excellent starting point for planned visits to historical sites such as Venice, Trieste, Aquileia and Marano. From here, famous summer seaside towns such as Lignano Sabbiadoro and Grado can easily be reached. Le Favole Farmhouse is also only a short distance from winter sports locations and places of great naturalistic interest such as Piancavallo or Cansiglio, the ancient Bosco d'Areme, the woods that supplied the oars for the ships of the Serenissima. The farmhouse has an information point with up-to-date information regarding cultural events, plays, performances and local transport. The Cadorin family's ancient farmhouse, perfectly renovated in the traditional Friulian style, is an elegant holiday farmhouse, ideal for splendid vacations and relaxing moments. At Favole, everything, down to the smallest detail, has been taken care of. Comfortable and elegant furnishings, ceilings with wooden beams, hand-painted ceramic lamps, solid wood furniture. The structure offers the standard bed and breakfast formula with an abundant buffet breakfast and accommodation in elegant and spacious rooms. Lift. Free internet access via Wi-Fi. Bicycles are available for hire. A beautiful garden fitted with a play area for the younger children, and many other solutions to complete your stay. Last but not least, the crowning glory, the wine cellar, where you can taste and buy typical local products, such as the renowned home-produced Le Favole wines. The farmhouse has 14 rooms located on 2 floors. All the rooms are perfectly soundproofed with air conditioning and are fitted with an ensuite bath, hairdryer, satellite television, wall safe and free internet access via Wi-Fi. The structure is also suitable for individuals with disabilities.